this very second, approximately 850 epidermal cells have shed from your fingers. Every hour, about 1 million cells adhere to your phone. Where our bodies meet the air, it's all our residue. Beneath your epidermis lies the dermis layer, which is home to countless receptors. The Meissner's corpuscles are especially adept at sensing delicate touches. They are predominantly located in sensitive areas such as fingertips, lips, nipples, clitoris, and penis. The Pacinian corpuscles can detect minute object movements as small as 0.00001 millimeters, even without direct contact with the object. The brain also plays a role in processing tactile sensations, modifying them in various ways, making you feel comfortable when touched by a loved one. Within your skin, there is a type of pigment cell. The melanin it produces determines our skin color. Everyone around you has the same number of pigment cells. If our ancestors lived in areas with less sunlight, our bodies would produce less melanin. A lighter skin tone allows us to absorb more sunlight. Conversely, more melanin is needed to counteract the harmful effects of ultraviolet rays. Therefore, skin color is simply a biological response to sunlight, and scientifically, there are no real racial distinctions. Having a lighter skin tone has a significant advantage. It aids in the synthesis of extra vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for our health. We can get it in two ways, through our diet or from sunlight. Excessive sun exposure can lead to skin cancer. If you were to rely solely on diet, you'd need to eat 15 eggs a day or 3 kilograms of cheese. These options aren't practical, which is why at least 50% of people worldwide lack sufficient vitamin D for parts of the year. In northern regions, this figure could be as high as 90%. We have around 5 million hairs on our skin. Your head hair is probably the most important. It serves both as an insulator and a reflector. Also, it's a tool for attracting the opposite sex. 5 million hairs mean you have around 5 million hair follicles. When dead skin and oils clog these follicles, it results in a teenager's nightmare: acne. Remember, sugars in chocolates and greasy foods, dairy products, gluten, nuts, and fish might only exacerbate the symptoms of acne, but they aren't direct triggers. To avoid acne, the key is to keep the skin clean. Speaking of cleanliness, there are about 200 different types of microorganisms on your skin. Approximately 150,000 microorganisms can be found in an area the size of a thumb. You need to thoroughly wash with soap for a full minute to achieve a clean state. Every year in the United States, about 2 million people are hospitalized due to bacterial infections, and 90,000 of them die as a result. To these tiny creatures, your skin is like cornflakes. Close your eyes, and you can hear the crunching sound. Your feet and armpits shouldn't naturally have an odor, but due to the presence of these microorganisms, when sweat and oils are broken down by these bacteria, a specific smell is emitted. For instance, like sour cream cheese, because it's the same bacteria. So, always keep your skin clean. Lastly, what I want to say is, the human body is the greatest engineering marvel in the world. Cherish your 2 square meters of skin. Bid farewell to your 25,000 epidermal cells every minute. Clean those 5 million hair follicles well, and coexist peacefully with the 2 billion microorganisms on your skin. See you in the next video.